Today we'll be comparing circuits A and B.
This is circuit A.
Circuit A. This is circuit B. Circuit B. Okay, so the supplies we're going to be needing to build this circuit are a battery. We have 2 batteries, I believe. Or do we have 1? We have 2. Okay. And we'll need a battery holder to put the battery in. We will need electric clips to hook the wires up to the battery. We will need a knife switch. The knife switch opens and closes, so we will be utilizing that feature as well. And we will need wires. So we're going to need, I believe, 4 wires, and we have a light bulb socket to put the light bulb in. And here's the light bulb. It's a little tiny light bulb. Okay, so step 1 is we are going to put the batteries and the electrical clips together. So we just put the batteries in the holder and shove the electrical clips on the ends. And since we are using 2 batteries, we are going to need to repeat this twice. Okay, so the next step is we are going to add wires. So we just push the wires into the loops on the electrical clips and it'll hold it in place. And we have to connect the 2 batteries, so we have to make sure that it goes positive to negative because otherwise it won't go through. Because opposites attract. And so we're just hooking up the wires on either end, and those will attach to the light bulb socket and the knife switch.
And pause.
Okay, now we're going to assemble the light bulb and socket. So we just have to screw the light bulb into that and it'll hold it in place. You have to make sure it's touching the metal plate on the bottom though.
Now we have to connect the knife switch to the wires and the battery.
So what we're going to do is we're going to loop the end of the wires and hook it onto the screw post, and then we're going to use the screwdriver to tighten that in. And we want to make sure it's tight so that it doesn't come off, obviously. And then we're just going to do that on the other side as well. We're going to loop the wire, hook it on, and tighten it.
Very tight.
Very tight. And then the other end, the loose end of the wire, will just hook up to the light bulb and the socket.
Now we have to add the light bulb and socket
To the rest of the circuit. So what we're going to do is we just have to press down on the little tab and push the wire through. And there you have it.
For circuit B, we just added a second light bulb. This is circuit A with the closed knife switch.
And this is just a close-up of the bulb so you can see how bright it is. We're going to actually be comparing the brightness of the bulbs between circuit A and B.
This is B.
And this is the close-up of the bulbs. As you notice,
They
are
dimmer.
much dimmer than circuit A.